So now that you've purchased your planner on Etsy, what you're gonna wanna do now is actually download your planner so that you can use it in your Goodnotes planner. So this tutorial is gonna walk you through where to access your files, how to download them using your iPhone or your iPad. Now, typically when you do receive your email with your downloads, it's going to take you inside the Etsy app. Unfortunately, as of this video, if you go to the Etsy app and you see your order confirmation like this, you are unfortunately not able to download any files using the app. Log into your Etsy by going to your browser, whatever browser you use, whether that's Chrome on your iPad or Safari. I'm using just Safari. Then you're gonna wanna go into your account. You're gonna go into your purchases. And here in your purchases, you're gonna get this area where it says download files. It just says download files here. So you wanna go into the purchase that you're looking for. So what you're gonna wanna do is just go ahead and click on the download file, and it's gonna take you to the downloads page, and then it's gonna give you file. Whatever files that the particular seller has included for you, you will find them here. So I'm gonna download this first file. So I'm gonna hit download, and it's actually going to open in a new tab within Safari. So what I'm gonna wanna do is after it downloads and opens up like this, I'm just gonna check that this is the file that I want. Everything looks good. I'm gonna click on the shared button. Then I'm going to scroll down to where it says, you can either save the file to your folder, your files folder, save it to Dropbox, whatever. Obviously this is a Goodnotes tutorial, so we're gonna open in Goodnotes. We're going to import as a new document, and then we're gonna find the folder. If you have folders, or you could just put it in just in your regular document section. And then we're gonna hit import to documents once you figure that part out. Once it is imported, you can tap on the top where it gives you the title that the seller has created for this. You can tap it and rename it whatever you like. I'm just gonna go Etsy planner. Once you go out to your documents, you're going to see where that planner is now, and you're just gonna tap it and continue to use it from here. That's it, a simple tutorial on how to get your Etsy files, your Etsy PDF directly into Goodnotes so that you can start planning.